So our marine ecosystems are changing both at a global scale and local scale, and these changes are causing widespread drastic impacts to our microalgal communities, which are the foundation of all of our marine ecosystems. We're already seeing red flags of some of these changes, where we're seeing biomass decrease in some areas and increase in others, and increases in harmful algal bloom events as well across the country.
So we're going to be looking at improving our algal monitoring, considering both the benthic and the pelagic communities, and looking at microalgal communities as a whole, not just individual species level. We're going to be seeing if we can improve the way we monitor and report microalgae in the environment, especially harmful algal blooms.
We're looking to understand the key drivers of changes that we're seeing, so that we're able to target these for mitigation or restoration efforts, and also create tools that will help us prepare and predict for future scenarios as well.
We're going to be working with a range of people, both international and domestic, working with iwi, central and local government, industry partners and academics from around the world.
I think this program is really unique because of the wide-ranging impacts that it will have and the outcomes for both environmental and ecosystem health, as well as public and community health, and to help support a sustainable blue economy. Our overall vision is that our marine ecosystems will be healthy and resilient despite ongoing climate change pressures,
and that communities are empowered to do their own bloom monitoring and are much more involved in observing and managing their environment.